If you're not selling products directly on Instagram and TikTok, you're missing out on the easiest sales of your life. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram shopping and TikTok shop so that your followers can buy it with just one tap without ever leaving the app. Let's turn your content into cash. Step 1, get approved for Instagram shopping. Go to your Instagram business profile. Click settings, then creator, then set up Instagram shopping. And lastly, link your Facebook commerce account. Step 2, in Shopify, go to settings, then sales channel, then add Facebook and Instagram. Log into your Meta account and select your business manager. Then sync your Shopify catalog with Meta. Step 3, tag products and posts. When posting on Instagram, click tag products. Select products directly from your synced Shopify catalog. Now your posts are instantly shoppable. Here's how to set up TikTok shop with Shopify. Step 1, create a TikTok shop seller account. Go to seller.tiktok.com and sign up. Then upload business documents and verify your store. Step 2, in Shopify dashboard, go to sales channels, then TikTok. Connect your TikTok business account. Choose what products to sync. Enable video shopping ads and catalog syncing. Step 3, tag products in your TikTok post. In the TikTok app, create a video, click add product link, and then choose from your sync catalog. Now, every video you post can lead directly to a product page. Here are some pro tips that can convert viewers to customers. Use short captions and trending audio. Show the product in action within 3 seconds. Always pin shoppable posts to the top of your feed. Use UGC style content. It converts higher than polished ads. And lastly, use TikTok's affiliate program to let creators sell your products. So that's how you connect your Shopify store to both Instagram and TikTok. This is hands down one of the most powerful ways to turn your content into profits. And the best part, it's completely free to set up. Now check it out, y'all. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you never miss out on the ecom playbook where I break down everything you need in order to scale your Shopify store and stay ahead of the game. And lastly, y'all, the algorithm is already pushing your content. Now it's time to let your content push your products. See y'all in the next one. Peace.